If there is a weird sound in your Samsung device whenever you keep the device inside the pocket, then let us see what to do. Go to settings here, go to this option connection, and if you see there is an option here NFC and payment, which is on. Now what happens is, if you have a debit card or credit card which you can use for payment using NFC, then what happens is, if you bring that card on the back of this Samsung device, then you will always hear a weird noise. So what you can do is, either you will remove the card from the pocket where you keep the phone, or else you have to disable this option NFC and payment. So once you do it, you will not hear that weird noise. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.